Hello friends, this is Gokul from Gokul Tech, and today in this video we are going to see how effectively we are going to use checkbox in Excel and making the calculation using the checkbox if it is checked or not. So I have taken a practical example with a production report where if you are working on daily MIS reporting job or any other reporting task, it will help you to amend according to your daily work. So this report is a simple example. According to this, you can customize your task and the production report. So to have a production report, we have taken an example of different cars in a production unit and the stages of completion. We have mentioned stage 1, 2, 3, 4 and completion percentage as well, right? The first thing is we need to insert a checkbox and then we have to implement the calculation for the completion percentage, right? So first what I'm going to do is I'm going to insert a checkbox. To insert a checkbox, we need to have another tab enabled over here, which is called as developer. So right click on anywhere and you can see an option called customize the ribbon. Click on it and then you can see a lot of options available over here, and then in this customize ribbon you have to go with the developer tab. Check this one and click on OK. You can see that developer tab is enabled. Click on the double click on the developer tab so that your tab will get expanded, and then Visual Basic, which is used for our macro coding, and you can see there is an option called insert over here. If you click on this drop down, you can see an option called form controls and active controls. In this form controls, you can see the third option is checkbox form control. Click on that and it automatically our mouse pointer turns into plus symbol, right? Now I need to place it over here. Just place the button over, cursor over here, it will get added. We have got our checkbox. So right click on your checkbox and click on edit text and remove the checkbox, the text which we are having. Click on enter or click on outside. So you will get your checkbox placed in the place where you want to do and move it according to your precision, right? Now copy this checkbox and paste it to the cells wherever we want to, wherever we have the option to paste. So now we have successfully placed all the checkboxes in the each and every cell of our table, right? Now the second part is giving connection to each and every cell. Right click over here and you can see there is an option called format control. Click on this and you can see an option, display pop-up saying that checked, unchecked, mixed and 3D shading. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to link this checkbox with the cell. I'm not going to do anything, I'm just going to link this checkbox with the cell. So this is with I7. Hit enter, click on OK, done. And if I check some, if I click on check, you can see in the backend I'm getting the option of value of true. Uncheck, it is in a false. In the same way I'm going to do it for everything, where cell reference and I8, sorry, J7, enter, OK. I have taken it for 2 rows, which is my Kia and Tata for an example, right? Now I need to understand how many trues or falses available. So for that what I'm going to do is I'm going to use the Countif formula. Countif, my range is this one, lock it, equal to Countif, select the range, close the bracket, criteria you have to give it as true, If it is true, give me the count. If I select unselect, I am getting the number exactly what I want to get. So same way I am filling it, I am getting the value. But we need to get the percentage, right? How I am going to get? Divide this value by count A of the same value. Close the bracket, hit enter, you will get 1, and apply the same for first two rows, which is Tata and Kia, and convert this two values into percentage. So if I select stage stage, if I unselect stage 3, I'm getting 50%, right? If I'm doing true, I'm getting exactly what I'm looking for. So 0% if I uncheck everything. Now we are having the true false value over here. How to hide it? Just go to our home page and make the text value into white. We are now not able to see any value over here, and based on the production and checking the box, we are getting the value dynamically changed on the completion percentage. I'm saving this practice file and putting this particular file for your practice for other three cars, which is BMW, Suzuki and Mahindra. Please practice on your own and share your results or any issues you are facing in our comment box. We'll happy to assist you in all the time. Hope this video is clear how to make a checkbox which helps you to identify the percentage or to get the relevant details of any data which you are working for day-to-day life. If you have any doubt in your daily task also, please reach out to us. We'll happy to assist you, because we are getting multiple queries from different people with Power BI or with the videos which you are posting. Thanks for watching. We'll meet you in the next exciting video. Until then, bye from us. Thank you and have a great day.